If you use Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, or WooCommerce, our Automation Path Builder can help you boost sales and engagement with your new and past customers. To get started, click Automations and then click Create Automation. Choose Use a Template and scroll down to the Shopping Activity Templates. The Request a Review path lets you automatically send an email to customers after their order is fulfilled to ask them to review their purchase. The Thank You Series path makes it easy to thank customers for placing an order. You can even customize the messaging for new customers versus repeat customers. And the Win Back Series path lets you reach out to past customers who haven't placed an order in a while to entice them to purchase again. There are also abandoned cart paths to help remind your customers to complete their order if they still have items sitting in their shopping cart, which you can learn more about in this article. Plus, you can welcome new customers and prospects when they join your mailing list with the Welcome Series path, which lets you customize the messaging based on whether they've placed an order or not. Once you've chosen your template, you can stick with the pre-built path or build it out further with additional emails, SMS messages, conditional splits, and actions. Make sure to customize the email and SMS content in whichever path you choose by clicking the three dots and selecting Edit. Add your branding and links, and consider including special discounts to show your appreciation or as an extra incentive to leave a review or place another order. Need a little help coming up with what to say? Use our AI content generator to write some text for you. When you're finished editing the email or SMS message, click Save and Close. Once your path is ready, click Activate. You can now keep track of how your automation is performing from the Details page, including how much revenue has been generated from the email and SMS messages in your path. Start engaging with your customers today with Constant Contact.